In this video, we will learn how to make a basic bodice block in Flow 3D. For that, you have to load Avatar, and if you are beginner, you don't know how to load Avatar, you can watch my another video, and I will give a link in description, you can watch that. And after loading the Avatar, you have to make the pattern. And for making pattern, you have to select the polygon tool. And for that, you can just simply click on the tool, or you can just simply click H, like this, and the tool will get come. After that, firstly, I will tell you how to use this tool on a rough side. All you have to do is you have to click, click, click. And if you want to give a curve or any shape or depth to your garment or your pattern, what you have to do is click and drag. You have to hold on and give a shape or a curve to your pattern like this. Now, after that, you can't just come to the another point. You have to click back and then you will finish the pattern like this. Now you can see that your pattern is visible on both sides. And if you will not click back and curve, click and drag, and if you will jump to the another, it will look like this. So you have to click back. Now we will make a pattern on half side. Click, click and drag. I will give a little bit of curve in neckline. Click back, click, click and drag, and give a curve in armhole. Click back, click, click, and close. And now you can see that your pattern is visible on both sides in 2D and as well as on 3D. Okay, so next we will select the pattern, and for that you have to click here. This is a transform pattern, and you just simply click A and your pattern will get selected. After that you have to Control C, Control V and Control R. Control R is for rotate, and now you can see that your pattern is on both sides. Now we need a pattern on back side too. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we will make a pattern on backside. For that we will do select and Control C and Control V, and now you can see that your pattern is visible on both screens, and this is for front and this is for back. Now what we have to do is we have to place our pattern on back side. For that we will use fitting person. For that, shift and F and your fitting person will get come. And now what we're gonna do is we will select the pattern like this. Okay, you can see that in 2D we are selecting, and in 3D it is also get selected. Okay, so we will select and move to the point and click, click here and see your pattern is almost there. Now you can see that your pattern is placed, but it is not stitched yet. For that, you have to stitch it. But if we click a space bar before stitching it, your pattern will get fall down like this because it is not stitched. Okay, so we will learn how to stitch it. For that, we need to use these tools for stitching like segment sewing and free sewing, and there are a lot of another tools also. And we will use segment sewing. For that you can just click N also, and we can stitch it on both sides in 2D and as well as 3D. So there is a rule in stitching, like if you are clicking here you have to click on the same side. If you will click here and then you will click here, your pattern will not get stitched properly. I will give you an example. Like we will click here and in the same position here, so you can see that lines are coming in a straight way. This is the right way to stitch. And if we are doing like this, we are clicking here, then we are clicking on bottom, then you can see that there is a clasp in the stitching and your pattern will not get stitched properly. So you have to stitch in the right manner, like click here and click here. Okay, same with everyone. Click. Now you can see that our garment is stitched properly, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna click space bar like this, and our pattern will get draped by itself. Okay, now you can see that our basic bodice block pattern is ready. You can use this pattern for making different kind of variations and making different garment. and you can follow for more. Thank you.